lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Welcome to the autonomous pre-programmed period. Robots moving of their own volition using sensors on the robots to gain additional information about the field. 3201 swiftly delivering around the field. That's the Atlas, the girl driver team at this event. Trying to pick up a couple of notes from the center, but just a few inches shy of being able to capture them. As we enter the teleoperated period, the remainder 2 minutes and 15 seconds is all completely human-driven, using the robots that their team built over this last season. 1741, Red Alert, their bonus team on the Red Alliance Cranberry Alarm, is trying to deliver a couple of notes into the speaker, each of those worth additional points for their alliance. That would be 2 points for every speaker note scored. If teams elect to store up notes in the amp, that's that shorter goal on the audience side. If they score 2 notes there, they can do something called amplification, where additional points for 10 seconds will be scored for notes that enter the speaker area. 90 seconds remaining in the match. 1501 Team Thrust. They're a community-based 4-H team trying to deliver as many notes as possible, getting a little bit of airtime there as they maneuver across the field, trying to minimize the cycle time, the time from picking up a note to delivering it. Teams have to cross diagonally across the field to their human player station to pick up additional notes outside the field of play. A minute remaining in the match. Scores currently 22-18, only 6-point difference now. Blue Alliance creeping up on that threshold required for the Melody ranking point bonus. Both teams only about 10 or 11 notes away, which is going to be difficult to do in the remaining time. Some bumper-on-bumper action between 1720 and 3843. Fixed Gear has seen better days. Parts of their mechanism loose on the back or front side of their robot, but they're still maneuverable, so they'll keep that bumper-on-bumper pressure on their opponents, trying to prevent them to score. Only 6 points difference, now 10 between these two teams. That riff sound means we're entering that endgame period. We'll start to see human players toss those specially marked notes. We'll also start to see robots climb. 3 points for every robot off the ground. Additional points if robots share the chain. 1501 Team Thrust just shy of a couple seconds to deliver notes into the trap. That's about it as we wrap up qualification match 8. And here are your scores, qualification match 8. Your winners are the Red Alliance with a score of 36, a couple points above Blue Alliance's 28. Only 2 ranking points for winning that match. All Red Alliance robots rising in the rankings as we move on here at Riverboat Rumble.